Today we are going to see about fillet, chamfer and text. So first see about fillet. So fillet is nothing but eliminating the sharp corners. So in Creo parametric we have two types of fillet. One is circular and another one is elliptical. In the subcases we have the fillet with the trimmed edges and untrimmed edges. Okay, first click on circular fillet with the untrimmed edges. So click on this. Click on the two lines that you want to make fillet. Now see, the sharp corner is eliminated with the smooth edge and the lines are made with the construction lines. Now click on this to modify the fillet radius. Okay, the next one is trimmed circular fillet. The next one is trimmed circular fillet. So click on circular trim, click on these two lines. To modify the fillet dimensions, double click on the dimension. The next one is elliptical fillet. So click on elliptical. So click on the lines. See, the elliptical fillet is to making a fillet without a constant radius. So in this case you have to assign a dimension from the center point to the lines. Okay. The next one is elliptical fillet with the trimmed edges. So click on these two lines to make a fillet. Then you can assign the dimensions. The next one is chamfer. So chamfer is like a fillet, but instead of a smooth edge, the beveled edges will be created. So in this case also we have two types, untrimmed edges and trimmed edges. So click on chamfer, two lines. So the untrimmed lines are in construction lines. Then you can assign the chamfer distance. The next one is chamfer trim. Same like that. That's all. So let's see about text. So we can create characters by using the text. So first click on the location, then assign the text height. After that type your text. After that type your text. So to input a symbol, click on the type symbol, then select your symbols. Then this is to modify your text characters. So I am choosing font 3D to make a 3D text. Okay, and this is to align your text position, and this is aspect ratio. And to make it italics, align a start angle. Okay. So if you want to make a text along a specified path, means click on text, then click your position, then make a text height. After that type your text, then select place along curve. Now select your curve. Now your text is oriented along the curve. Thank you.